The key to good sprints with your dog is to have a good start and stop point. We used field cones and put them at opposite ends of the field and ran as fast as we could. And look here, Vader caught on quick.
All right, Roll Dogs, if you've ever played basketball, I'm pretty sure this is one of your favorite drills. What you want to do here is, again, using field cones, set each cone up at an equal distance and gradually run from one cone back to home, next cone back to home until you've completed the series.